Maytag Commercial Laundry Multi-Load Washers for vended and on-premise laundry. The laundry needs of each facility vary from location to location, but serviceability should always be easy. Maytag Multi-Load Washers put the control in your hands. Equipped with Wi-Fi capabilities and a USB port, you have easy access to notifications and diagnostic data that allows you to monitor your washer's performance. These machines were designed with ease of maintenance in mind. With just 2 key turns and removing 6 screws, you gain access to the entire front and top of the washer from where the vast majority of maintenance operations can be performed. This is just one of the many ways that Maytag is putting the power in your hands. Make sure to watch our other feature-specific videos to learn the full potential of Maytag Multi-Load Washers. Maytag Commercial Laundry Multi-Load Washers. Dependable, customizable, and built for you.